Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you're looking for employee engagement activities, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Now, you'll want to stick around to the end of the video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can immediately use. So today's tip, make sure that your management team mingles with their staff members. It used to be known as MBWIA, or management by walking around. The term may be gone, but the concept is still valid. So how do you do it? First, regularly schedule time with each of your employees. Often a simple 5-minute check-in will suffice. Use icebreakers and other social activities that allow team members to learn interesting facts about each other and get to connect on a personal level. And if you're not good with remembering names, take steps to change that. There's lots of excellent resources available which offer guidance on recalling names. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you next time.